SETS is a project funded by the European Commission designed to empower social economy organizations for the green and digital transition. We have developed a series of innovative training programs to help you succeed in the digital age. We can offer you 3 courses. The first one will help you to collaborate and communicate seamlessly in digital environments. The second one will enable you to unlock the potential of artificial intelligence. And the third and last course will empower you to master social economy and impact management. Let's dive deeper into the modules of Course 2. The first module offers a comprehensive introduction to artificial intelligence, covering its historical evolution, key terminologies, and different types. With the second module, you will understand the key challenges in AI development and how decision-making processes are influenced by data ethics and accountability. The third and last module explores the strategic role of AI in enhancing efficiency, automation, and decision-making within social economy organizations. Are you ready to lead the digital transformation?